All right, guys, we just got this electric fireplace in the mail. Well, not really in the mail. I guess we got it delivered. And see our beautiful cat here. You're gonna have to get off this box in a second. We're gonna open this up, see what's in the box. We're gonna try to install it here or here. I'm not sure yet. You can insert it into the wall, or you can just mount it on the wall. We're gonna go for the mounting because I don't wanna cut into the wall and into the studs and stuff like that. So we're gonna do our best to wall mount it. I'll show you what's in the box and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, we got her out of the box. You can see about how long she is. We still have the styrofoam on here. Comes with these rocks, I believe, to go inside it for the looks. Comes with the remote control, comes with the instructions. I think this is the only thing you mount it with. I've got to read the instructions. Okay, so before I start, I forgot to mention it does come with the screws and the mounts, of course, as well. Okay, so we got it mounted in. It's 8 screws with the mounting brackets to go into the drywall. We tried to find some studs. We didn't find any, so we're gonna see how well this supports with just the 8 brackets and the screws. Ta-da! All right, so now that we have it on the wall, there's 2 holes you have to drill here and here. We decided it was a smart idea to test it to make sure it worked before we finished it. So this is what it looks like just turned on. We haven't done anything with it. I just literally just turned it on. We're gonna have to figure out a way to hide this plug later on. But man, it looks pretty nice so far. I'm excited. Let's get it finished up. The final few steps. After we put in those 2 screws, we put in these rocks. And then after that, we put the glass back on. And then there's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now then, the very final thing we're gonna do is get it turned on and see what it looks like. Here it is beautiful. It has a ton of features I didn't even know about. First of all, you can of course switch through different types of fire, right? You can change the colors of the rocks. You can also control the speed of the fire. You don't have to have the heat on at all. I think it has 3 levels of heat. You can turn on the heat levels if you want, or you can have the heat off altogether. You can control the brightness. If you don't like it this bright, you can dim it down. You can also control how fast the fire moves. And there's a timer. You can set a timer on it for how long you want it to be on. But yeah, this is beautiful. And it was really easy to set up, as you guys saw. I actually reached out to somebody and they wanted to charge an arm and a leg. And I was like, you know what, let me try it myself. And it was a pretty easy installation. Just make sure you have yourself a leveler and a drill and you're gonna be good to go. But this is it. Pretty amazing. I'm really excited about it. I think it's really gonna bring our room together. We use the cat sheet for now to hide the plug-in. We're gonna fix that later. Great fireplace, awesome. I like it a lot. My wife likes it a lot, which is very important. So yeah, this is it.